Bestie, ramdam mo na ba?
Bestie, ang ano ba?
Ang init ng Hell Week, oh!
Grabe, akala ko ako lang.
Hindi, no? Alam mo naman na grabe ang init dahil sa mga bugbog natin sa final weeks. Dagdag mo pa ang mga activities.
Right?
Diba?
Wala na tayong time. Kaya naman, before natin simulan ang ating holiday break, let's ambush our kapwa mavens to ask some questions.
And I am Rica Jimenez.
And I am Justice Salazar. Tara!
Let's go!
Hi, I'm here with...
Andrew Miguel Giambino from DSN 2C.
I'm Raheem from BSN 1C.
Hi, I'm here with Dr. Damayo po. We are going to ambush mom and ask her set of questions. For the first question is, describe your
Ideal Christmas break.
in 3 words.
Eat, sleep, repeat.
Perfect.
3 words, it would be stress-free rather, free of course, and of course, walang iiyakan. Ay,
Oh.
1 word daw, pero ang dami.
Madami na siya.
Ay, madami na siya.
Enjoy. Family.
Family.
Rest.
Perfect. Finish the sentence. All
I want pork.
Christmas is
One flat.
manifesting.
Uno na grade.
Yes, we manifest flat 1 sa lahat ng
Yes,
subject.
please.
Biochem?
Biochem, Anafi.
Okay, yes.
You.
Wow. Ang sweet. What's one thing you learned
This semester that you're bringing
into 2026?
Hopefully, resilience and our resistance as future nurses.
Huwag mag-cramming, huwag mag-debriefing after exam, and of course, dapat mag-study.
okay, new realization
Yes,
din
dapat
diba?
talaga kasi yung grades natin parang,
Parang ganun-ganun na.
yes, ganun.
Yes. May wavelength na.
Yes, meron.
Commitment. Respect. Love.
What's one habit
You want to leave behind.
before 2026 begins?
My bad habit of procrastination.
One habit, siguro yun, huwag mag-cramming talaga.
Yun pa rin.
Yes, yun talaga.
Yun ang
O,
pinaka-importante.
lalo na pag mag-RLE na, tapos siya ka lang ako mag-memorize pag gabi na.
Hindi tama yun
Bawa.
talaga. Yes.
First, precious. No, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Siguro yung temperament ko. Nagiging ano ako. Roar.
Alam naman ko, makatakot mo. Hindi ko pa yan na-encounter, ma'am. Ang makatakot. How would you rate your semester from 1 to 10 based
On a plot twist
Ay,
level.
plot.
10. If I could like give it a higher number, I'd say 11, 12.
level.
Ay, plot twist.
Yes, plot twist.
Siguro 10? Oh my gosh, 10.
Okay. Perfect?
Perfect. For 10
Okay.
out of 10.
9.
Nice.
9 only. Why? Because each and every semester, each and every year, it's not perfect. Kung perfect, there will be no room for improvement. So, always lang na kahit it is already a good thing for this year, but still fine. Ganun.
What's one thing you're looking forward
To when the news.
semester starts?
I'm looking forward to the Valentine's event that's usually so crowded here.
Bagong inspiration? Sorry.
May ganun
Matataas
pala.
na grade? Plakado sa rally? Yes. I-manifest natin.
Parang hindi yan mangyayari.
Ay,
ang
diba?
plakado.
Wag. Magiging plakado sa akin.
Yes, tama. Manifest ulit.
Manifest.
Manifest.
Looking forward for new challenges, not only challenges in work, but also in our affiliate institution. There are a lot of new challenges and new adjustments.
Excited na ako ma-under sa'yo, ma'am, sa area. Challenger pala si ma'am.
Always.
Finish the sentence.
New year,
New.
Clinical areas.
Crush.
new life.
Yay, manifesting the art.
Ay, guys. New
Wala
Year,
halata.
new me.
Nahalata.
Yes, yun na.
New year, new life. Thank you, Andreo. Thank you very much po, ma'am. Isang maligayang Pasko at bagong taon para sa ating mga Mavens.
Magkita-kita tayo muli sa 2026.
This has been Justice Salazar,
And Rica Jimenez.
reminding you to press the courage and pride the